The Spopal Portable Shower upgraded model delivers a strong, steady spray with multiple flow settings, making it feel much closer to a home shower than most compact camp units. A very large built-in battery keeps the pump running for well over an hour of combined use, and the Type-C charging port makes it easy to top up power from a car, power bank, or laptop. The bright digital display shows both remaining battery and incoming water temperature, so you can avoid cold shocks or scalding water when using heated buckets. Despite its powerful pump, the shower runs quietly and can be fully submerged with a stable bucket grip that helps control water use and prevents accidental tipping. The kit packs down into a lightweight mesh bag with a flexible hose and hanging options, so it is simple to stash in a backpack or vehicle for camping, beach days, or road trips. Beyond personal showers, the adjustable spray and portable design make it genuinely useful for rinsing sandy kids, washing pets, cleaning gear, or giving the car a quick soap and rinse.